Hey, how's it going? Congratulations on making it to week 10. You now have completed spring break, and all of you have just handed me or uploaded your second projects. So this is where I am. I'm now in the process of taking a look at your second projects, and I will provide comments and I will provide scores, but give me about a week or so to do that. I've also got to take care of your previous blogs, and then I'll be putting comments on the current blog that you guys just uploaded as well. Now, there's a significant shift in the sort of work that we will be doing. In Unit 2, everything had to do with sophistication and kind of academic writing. And now what we're going to do is the exact opposite of that. I want you to think of Unit 2 as the sort of thinking and writing that are valued in the college classroom. Well, the question now becomes, what happens when we walk out of that classroom door? And I suggest that when we walk out of the classroom door, we're not confronted by multi-claim theses and lots of textual support and strong reasoning. Instead, we're confronted by a world that persuades us, but it persuades us mainly emotionally and associatively rather than logically. And so in the third unit, we're going to examine that sort of persuasion. And so we're going to do it in a couple of ways. Number one, we're going to take a look at propaganda this week. And so I've put a lot of materials in there that I ask you guys to take a look at. I'm also going to ask you guys to return to the novel, and you're now going to read a section of the novel. Although this time when you're reading the novel, you're going to be looking to see how propaganda actually works in the novel. And then number two, and we'll start getting into this next week, we're also going to start to look at the mediums of communication that frame how we communicate with each other. Because I suggest that those mediums too don't necessarily value complex academic conversation. So in this next unit, we're going to be looking at the exact opposite of what you guys just produced in unit number 2. At the same time, the expectation is that you're going to write very much in the same vein that you would have written in Unit 2, but you're going to be examining communication that doesn't function in the same way. So for this week, I'm asking you guys to complete a blog, and the blog has to do with some of the readings that you guys are going to take a look at in Fahrenheit, and it also has to do with a few what I think will be fun videos that I've posted. If you have any questions, let me know. All right. Once again, welcome to Unit 3. Take care.